13. So, assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you once again. So, today we are continuing our lesson. Today we are continuing our lesson. It is chapter number 2, things to do with the computer. Okay. So, everybody should have to open the page number 13. Everybody should have to open the page number 13. Okay. So, on the page number 13, before going further, someone is asking something. Okay, let me check. Okay. Yes, Mohammed Ali, you are saying something?
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir. We can't hear you.
Yes, Mohammed Ali, you are saying something? You raised your hand. Mohammed Ali. Okay.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Fine, fine. Fine, fine. Okay. Now everybody should open the page number 13. On the page number 13, the first sentence is on the page number 13. The first sentence of page is saying, the first sentence of the page is saying, Wiz loves to work on the computer. Wiz loves to work on the computer in the school. Okay. So Wiz loves to work on the computer at the school. Why he loves to? Because he is using a computer for some work. What work are there? So what work are these? Let's see. He, the Wiz checks spelling and does calculations on the computer. Wiz checks spelling and does calculations on the computer. You can check the spelling on the computer. Okay, you Wiz can play games, Wiz can listen music, Wiz can watch cartoons on the computer, but Wiz is also using computer in the school. And what do he do in the school on the computer? He checks the spellings of the words and also do the calculations on the computer. So Wiz use it for calculations. Okay. So anyone can use the computer. Any one of you can use the computer for calculation. How we can do calculations in computer? Anyone know? Anyone know how we can do calculation in computer? Any one of you? Let me unmute you so that you guys can answer. Okay, any one of you? Can anyone know how to do the calculation on the computer?
No.
No. No.
Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you how to do the calculation.
No.
So,
No.
say,
Calculator.
listen. I will tell you. Okay, there is a calculator. There is a calculator option available in the computer. Calculator, do the calculations. Calculator, do the calculation in computer. When you open the calculator, you can do the calculator for calculations. You can do the calculator for calculations. So Wiz use his computer for Wiz uses computer for calculations. So on computer he do the calculations using the calculator. Okay. So he also checks the spelling, the correct spellings of the word. He also checks them by using the computer. So his teachers, whose teachers are these? Wiz teachers. Wiz, the teachers of Wiz use the computer to make slideshows and prepare mark sheets. Right now, the class you are seeing, the slides, the pictures you are seeing, these pictures are from the slideshows. This is not the slideshow which I am showing you right now, but the video you see, the video which I upload on Class Era is the slideshow. Slideshow shows you different things one by one in the form of slides. So we are at one slide. This slide is saying the teachers of Wiz use the computer to make slideshows and prepare mark sheets. Mark sheet contains the marks of the students. So the teachers of Wiz make it for mark sheet and for result and also make a slideshow for the student. So teachers of Wiz use the computer to make slides and prepare mark sheet. Everyone understand? Everyone understand? Say yes or no. Everyone understand? Okay. Everyone understand now? You guys can unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Very good. What we see right now,
Yes, I'm
we
very
see that
understand.
Maze loves to work on the computer in a school. What do we do in a school? What do he do in a school? He use the computer to check spelling and to do the calculations. He do the addition and subtraction, multiplication or division. He do the calculations on the computer. Okay. Then the teachers of Viz, the Viz teachers or teachers of Viz use the computer to make slides. Okay, use the computer to make slides and to make a result card, means to make a mark sheet. Okay, so computers are also used in library. Okay, computers are also used in libraries. Computers are also used in libraries. Why they were used in libraries? Because they are used to issue the book. For example, when you go to library, what happens? There are so many books there. There are so many books there in the library. For example, one book is look good to you. You like one book and you want to read that book in home. So what you have to do, you have to go to the librarian and ask him that he or she will issue you the book so that you will take that book to home. And after reading, you have to return that book to library again. So you go to the library and you want to see the book and you want to read that book in the home. So you go to the librarian and ask him to ask him to ask him to what, issue the book, and ask him to issue the book so that you will read that book in home, so that you will read that book in home. So computers are also used in school libraries to issue books. Why they are using? Because they are keeping a record which book is issued to which person. So they are using for record keeping. So computers are used in school libraries to issue books. Okay. Can any one of you tell me where computers are used? Computers are used in school. Yes, this is true. Computers are used in school. Can anyone tell me the places where computers are used? Can any one of you tell me the places where computers are used? You can raise your hand. You can raise your hand if you know any place. If you know any place to where computers are used. Computers are used in school. Okay, Kashan raised the hand first. Okay, let's ask Kashan. Okay, yes, Kashan, where the computers are used, only one place. Yes.
Airport. Airport.
Airport. Very good, Kashan. Kashan said they are used at airports. So they are used at airport. Very good. Okay. Let's say what anyone else is saying. Mohammed Moimin. Yes, Mohammed Moimin. What is your answer? Where computers are used?
Computer use. Supermarket.
Very well done. Very well done. Computers are used in supermarkets. Very good. Moimin said the right answer. They are used in supermarkets. Very good, Moimin. Supermarkets. Okay, very well done. Okay, let's see what we have. Supermarkets. And the previous answer was airport. So we have airport. That's the previous answer. Okay. Let me clear this one. Okay. So Rashid Ahmed. Rashid, what is your answer? Where we use computer?
Computer and hospital.
Very good. Computers are used at the hospital. Yes, you are right. Rashid is saying computers are used at the hospital. Yes, he is right. Very good, Rashid. Hospital. Okay, let's see what Muhammad Ali is saying. Muhammad Ali, what is your answer? Where computers are used? Where? Your voice is not coming clear. Repeat your answer. What are you saying? No, your voice is not coming. Not clear.
Bank is safe.
Banks, yes, banks, in banks. Very good, Muhammad Ali. They are used in banks. They are used in banks. Very good, you are right. So Muhammad Ali said they are used in banks. Okay, let's see what Huzafa is saying. Yes, Huzafa, what is your answer? Yes,
Office and hospital.
they are used in hospitals. Yes, hospitals are done. Yes, they are used in hospitals and somewhere else. Okay. Huzafa is saying used at hospital. Okay. So, yes, Muhammad Al Sheikh.
Office.
Muhammad Al Sheikh. Yes, Muhammad Al Sheikh. What is your
Yes,
answer?
sir.
What is your answer?
Office.
They are used at where? Computers are used at where?
Office. In the office. Where? In the office.
In the office.
In the office. Very good. Very good. The students, those who are giving me the answer, they are intelligent student. Very good. They are used in office. Okay. They are used in offices. Okay. Moaz. Moaz, where we use computer? Moaz. Moaz Al Sayed. Moaz. Moaz don't want to answer. Okay. Now Yusuf. Yusuf Al
Yes.
Mahmood. Okay, let me. Okay, Yusuf Al Mahmood, what is your answer, Yusuf? Sorry, what are you saying, Yusuf? What are you saying?
Restaurant.
We use computer where?
Yes.
Yes, we can use. Okay. Now, Siddiq, where we use computer? Siddiq Ghalib. Yes, can you tell me any place where we use computer? Can you tell me any place? Your voice is. Yes, what are you saying, Siddiq?
ATM.
At the what? At the what?
EM. ATM. It's cool.
Very good. At school, yes, very good. At school, we used it. At school, we used it. At school, we use the computer. Very good. You are right. Okay. So now, Ahmad Al Badi. Ahmad Al Badi, what is your answer, Ahmad Al Badi?
What?
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
What are you saying?
Restaurant. Restaurant.
Restaurants. Very good. Very good. You are so smart, Ahmad Al Badi. Restaurants. They are used in restaurants. They are used in restaurants. Okay. They are used in restaurants. And Sami. Okay, Sami. Sami, what is your answer, Sami? Sami, what are you saying? Okay. Wali Ahmad. Wali Ahmad, what is your
How?
answer? Wali, what is your answer, Wali? Everybody should speak fast. Okay. Rashid Ahmad. Rashid Ahmad. Rashid. Rashid Ahmad. Yes, what is your
Stop.
answer? Yes, what are you saying?
Stop.
Used in where?
Stop. Police station.
Okay, good, Wali. Very good, Wali. Wali Ahmad said police station, and Rashid Ahmad is saying, I think, shop. Yes, they are used in supermarket. Okay, so it's a police station. Very good. They are used in police station. Okay, so very well done. Okay, now, Salman Al Harbi. Salman Al Harbi. Yes, Salman. Yes, Salman.
Yes.
What is your answer? Where we use computer?
Computer lab.
Yes, where?
Computer lab.
Yes, in school, in computer lab. Very good. Very good. Okay. So, Umar. Umar, what is your answer?
36 plus 4, how much? 36 plus 4,
In
40.
in the in the games.
In the game, but can you tell me any place where we play the game? Where we play game? On roads or in home? We play game on roads or on home?
Okay, look at the board now. How to
In the
multiply?
walking.
First multiply.
In the what? In the what?
45. Here is the 5 and here is the 4. Right?
Yes, we play game. We play game in the homes. So computers are used in homes. Okay. Okay. Yes, Suleiman. 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 What is your answer, Suleiman?
It is a train station.
Where? Police station?
We can do it like this way also.
Yes, train.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, we use it. Police station.
Question.
Okay. Now Uday Ahmed. Uday Ahmad.
Yes, please.
Uday Ahmad. What is your
Fire
answer?
station.
Used in police station. Okay. Can you tell me any other place where we use computer? Okay.
Forgot the decimal. Think that there is
Okay. Okay.
normally.
Okay.
You know that
Now time.
don't come.
Time Allah.
You know normal.
Time Allah.
5 is a 45.
Where we use
5
computer?
is 4 carry.
Time.
There is 4 carry. 9 4 is a 36. 36 plus 4 how much?
Yes,
What?
time.
Right?
Where we use
Who
computer?
is what?
The right side after home.
Okay.
One number.
So
There is also one
where we use computer? Question is where we use computer? Talha. What? Where we use computer? Mohammed Talha.
6.
Airport.
Suppose 6.3 multiplied by 7.
Mohammed Talha.
6.3
Airport.
7.
At airport. Very good. Very good. Very good. Mansoor. Mansoor Arshad.
7 3 is a
Mansoor
21.
Arshad. Okay.
7 is 21.
So Mansoor Arshad, what is your answer?
7 6 is a 42.
Yes, we use
42
computer
plus
at
2,
where?
44. Then from the right side,
Yes.
after one number
Say it.
decimal, so 44.1.
School. School.
At school. Very good. At
This
school
question
we
was
used
check
it.
that one more
So
time.
many
Please check it.
students use.
What the meaning
So
of
many
this
students say this thing. Very
Let
good.
it be
Everybody
explanation or
say
no?
the answer once. Everybody
no?
said the answer.
Only
So
now
if you
14 minutes
see,
remaining.
if you see in this, if you see in this,
Guys are
if
asking
you
again
see
and again
in this
middle of the
picture,
explanation. Please,
see this.
kindly, when I finish
There are so
explanation,
many
not
things
now.
where we use computer. See, we use computer
I'll
at
give anyway at the
restaurants,
end
we
of
use
the 5
computer at
minutes
police
or 4 minutes
station,
I will give you
we use computer at
your
home,
job. So please,
we
let
can
me finish
use
first one
computer at
explanation.
airport, we
In
can
question
use
number
computer at
2, it said
supermarkets,
that
we can use computer at hospital,
22.8 is
we
close
can
to
use computer
the
at banks, and we can use computer at
Suppose
offices,
if I round up
and
this
we can
one,
use
if I
computers in
round
the
down
school labs.
4.5,
And one
round
more
down,
thing,
this
we
is
can
how
use
much? 5
computer
or
at
not?
where? We can
Correct or
use
not,
computer
boys?
in the school
When I put down
library. We
4.5,
can
this
use
is equal
computer
to
in the
5 or
school
not?
library. So these are some
Because
of
it
the
is 5.
places
Because it
on
is
which
5.
where we use
5 means
computer,
this number change to
on which
next
we
number. So
use
4.5
computer.
is 5.
Okay.
5 multiplied by
So
9 how much?
now
45.
moving towards the
So
next
if I
one.
round off, the answer is 45.
Always make
Without
sure
rounding
your
off, the
computer
answer is
chair is
40.5.
a
Is
good
it
backrest.
nearest?
Always make sure your
Is it
computer chair
nearest?
is a good backrest. Always make sure your
Is
computer
it the
chair is a
nearest?
good backrest. Okay, what is
No,
the
it's
backrest? When you
40.5,
sit
this is
on the
45.
chair,
4.5
you
difference.
put your back
So if
at
it's
the
4.5
chair.
difference,
So
this
it's a
is not
backrest.
reasonable.
It will
Not
provide you a
reasonable.
rest. It will provide the
Example, if this
rest to your
question,
back and you will be
6.3,
relaxed.
6.3 when I round
Because
off,
good
that is 6.
backrest of
Correct or
your
not,
chair
boys?
will care of your backbone
6.3 when I round off,
and
it is
you
6
will
or
be
not? Why?
relaxed
Because the
during
next
using the
number is
computer.
3. Because
So
of
it
this
is
one, why
necessary
3?
to use the
3 is
good
less than
chair.
5. At
It
that
is
time, this becomes equal.
used.
So
It
6
is all.
times how
It is
much?
good to use
42.
the
So 42
good
is
chair.
nearest
It
or
is
not?
necessary to use the good chair. It is important to use the good chair while using the computer. Everybody understand? Okay. Now, now, now there is a one worksheet in the class era. There's a one worksheet in the class era. Everybody should open the worksheet. Everybody should open the worksheet. Everybody should open the worksheet. Everybody should open the worksheet fast. Everybody should open the worksheet. I am waiting for 1 minute so that everyone can open the worksheet. Okay. Everybody is opening the worksheet. Say yes or no. Worksheet is in the course material. It's in the course material. It's very much easy. You can open the worksheet. Everybody is opening the worksheet. Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Good, good,
Yes. 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 Yes.
good.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, we will
Yes.
wait for 30 seconds so that everyone can open the worksheet. We will wait for 30 seconds and so that everyone can open the worksheet. Okay. And after the 30 seconds, we will start the worksheet. It's very so everybody open the worksheet.
Yes.
Okay, good. The first
Yes.
question of the worksheet is
Yes,
the
yes.
first question of the worksheet is the first question of the
Yes.
worksheet is saying which part of the computers are similar to human parts? Which part of the computer is similar to human part? The picture is there. You see there is CPU, monitor, and there are some speakers. There is voice, there is brain, and there is face. So the CPU is the brain. CPU is similar to the brain of humans because CPU is the brain of computer, and this picture on the right side is showing a human brain. So it is similar. They are looking the same. Everyone should connect it with the help of pencil. Everyone should connect the CPU with the brain with the help of pencil. Everybody done? Okay. Okay. Now the second thing is monitor. Monitor shows us the face of computer. Monitor shows us the face of computer that what computer is doing. So our face also show us that what we are feeling, and in the same way monitor is look like a face because monitor is the face of computer, and on the right side there is a human face. So it is similar. It is near about same to same monitor and the face. Everybody should connect the monitor and the face. And then the third thing is the speaker. Speaker gave you the voice or the sound. So they are connected with the voice. The students are in the human parts. The students are singing or making a voice. So speakers are also used to make voice. So I connect the speaker with the voices. I connect the speakers with the voices. Everybody done? Everybody done it? Say yes or no. Everybody done?
Yes. 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 I mean not PlayStation. I mean
Okay, okay, very good, very good,
train
very
station,
good.
sir.
Everybody done it, very good. Now,
Sir.
now there is another question. It's also very much easy. You have to match the parts of computer. You have to match the parts of computer. You have to match some parts of the computer. You have to match some parts of the computer. What are those parts? Let's see. Let's see. We are matching it. Monitor is there. We connect monitor with the monitor shape. We connect monitor word with the monitor shape. So everybody can connect it. Everybody can connect it. Everybody should connect it. Everybody should connect it. Yes, everybody should connect it so that everybody should connect it so that we can go towards the next. Okay, so the next thing is the CPU, the central processing unit. It's CPU. Everybody should connect the CPU. It's a central processing unit. CPU, you can see it's a say, you can say it's a CPU. So connect the CPU word with the CPU picture. Everybody should have to connect it. Everybody should have to connect it. And after it we have another thing. It's a keyboard. After it we have another thing. It's a keyboard. So that everyone can connect the keyboard. Everyone should have to connect the keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing, okay, because there are keys on it. So everybody should connect the keyboard with pencil. Okay, let me unmute all of you so that you will answer. Okay, everybody done? Everybody done?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
now, now the fourth thing is
Yes,
mouse.
sir.
Now the fourth thing is mouse. Now you have to you have to make a line
Mouse.
from the word mouse towards the picture of the
Dance.
mouse. The the fourth thing is the mouse. The fifth thing is the mouse. Okay. So it's a mouse. You can connect it with the mouse. Okay, mouse is there. Now, after the mouse, what we have? After the mouse, what we have? After the mouse, we have the scanner. We have the scanner. What does the scanner do? The scanner scans the document. They can take a picture of a document which is in real form. Okay, it is not like a camera. You have to put the paper on the scanner and scanner scan it, make a picture of this paper and give it to computer. So there is a scanner. Everybody should have to connect the scanner with the word scanner. Everybody should have to connect the word scanner with the picture of scanner. Okay, let's see what we have now. This one is the headphone. The headphone is used to listen songs. The headphone is used to listen songs. The headphone is used to listen songs. So I connect the headphone word with the headphones. So I connect the headphone word with the picture of the headphone. So I connect the headphone word with the picture of the headphone. So after this, what we have? After this, we have speaker. After this, we have speaker. So after this, we have speaker. What does speaker do? What does speaker do? Speaker gives us a sound. Speaker gives us sound, a generated sound. So last one is speaker. Only one word is left. Only one word is left. Its picture is not there. What that word is? That word is printer. Because there is no picture of that word. So we left that word. So one option is left with the printer. Okay, because there is no printer available in the picture, and there is one picture is also available which has no word. What is that word? It's CD. It's a CD. So we cannot connect CD and printer because printer is something else and CD is something else. So they are left here. So they are left here, and the remaining ones are the answers. So everybody done? Everybody make it in the worksheet? Everybody done with the worksheet? Say yes or no.
Done. Yes.
Everybody done?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So now if you have any question, you can ask. If you have any question, you can ask. And there is one more there is one more assignment for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, there is one small assignment for you. So you can open the assignment section from the class era and you can do the assignment. There is a one small assignment for you and you can do it in very less time. If you have any question, you guys can ask me right now, or otherwise you can do the assignment. Assignment is in the class era. Assignment is available right now. You can do it in the class era.